In today's deep dive, we're exploring one of the most highly anticipated drones of the year, the DJI Mini 5 Pro. If you're passionate about drone technology, aerial photography, or just love staying ahead in the world of tech, this is the update you've been waiting for. The DJI Mini 5 Pro official specifications, pricing, and release timeline have finally surfaced. And let me tell you, it's shaping up to completely shift the ultralight drone market. So, let's get right into all the leaked features, confirmed upgrades, insider news, and the game-changing improvements that might make this drone one of DJI's most powerful, lightweight models yet. DJI Mini 5 Pro. The comeback we've been waiting for. Earlier leaks about the DJI Mini 5 Pro had drone enthusiasts scratching their heads. The initial designs floating around featured awkward, cage-like propeller guards that made the drone seem bulky and strangely overbuilt. Thankfully, fresh footage recently surfaced, courtesy of trusted tech insiders, finally clearing the air. New hands-on video now reveals a sleek, streamlined design, completely ditching those clunky propeller cages. The Mini 5 Pro features elegant foldable propellers and powerful vented motors, suggesting DJI is focusing on both improved aerodynamics and advanced heat management. This is exactly the modern, compact, high-performance drone we were hoping for. Even more exciting, renowned drone leaker Jasper Ellens confirmed that the DJI Mini 5 Pro is officially set to launch on August 7, 2025, a full month ahead of earlier predictions. The countdown has truly begun. Revolutionary camera upgrades and sensor improvements. Most talked about upgrade, the camera. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is expected to debut a 1-inch CMOS sensor, which would be a monumental leap for drones in the sub-to 5 OG category. This larger sensor means vastly superior image quality, stunning low-light performance, richer colors, and increased dynamic range, perfect for both casual users and professional content creators looking to elevate their aerial photography. Gone are the typical side-mounted flaps from previous mini drones. Instead, this new design likely supports 360-degree gimbal rotation, similar to features seen in DJI's more premium models like the Mavic 4 Pro and the Osmo Pocket series. This full-range gimbal could allow for more cinematic, fluid camera movements and creative shot angles that were previously difficult to achieve with ultralight drones. DJI isn't just improving the camera resolution, but seems to be focusing on pixel quality, sensor sensitivity, and overall visual clarity. If you're a drone videographer or a vlogger who relies on top-notch footage, this could be your next essential tool. Advanced obstacle sensing and safety features. One of the most important advancements coming to the DJI Mini 5 Pro is its next-generation obstacle sensing system. According to the latest leaks, this drone will incorporate a front-facing LiDAR-based infrared sensor, capable of detecting obstacles up to 25 meters away. Not only will this boost safety, but it's also optimized for low-light flight conditions, providing much-needed confidence when flying near trees, buildings, or in tight urban spaces. The newly designed sensor housings, visible in the leaked images, suggest larger, more capable obstacle detection modules without sacrificing the movement range of the upgraded gimbal. Perhaps the most groundbreaking leap forward is the battery. Leaked FCC documentation, which surfaced on X, confirmed that the DJI Mini 5 Pro will ship with a 4680 mAh battery rated at 33.5 Wh. Compared to the Mini 3 and Mini 4 Pro, this is a significant step up in energy capacity. What does this mean for real-world use? The Mini 5 Pro is rumored to deliver standard flight times of around 45 minutes, with the potential for over 55 minutes when using DJI's optional Plus battery. This kind of flight endurance is nearly unheard of for drones under 250 grams. For drone pilots who've been frustrated by short battery lives and frequent swapping, this is a game-changing upgrade. Extended aerial filming sessions, long-distance exploration, and fewer interruptions are now possible. Cooling, performance, and build enhancements. Ventilated motor housings are another first for the Mini series. These are specifically engineered for better airflow, enhanced cooling, and possibly increased wind resistance. This could significantly improve drone stability in tougher conditions, while allowing the motors to deliver more thrust without overheating. Another fan-favorite feature is making its debut: quick-release propellers. No more dealing with those tiny screws during assembly. This simplifies storage, transport, and on-the-fly repairs. Despite all these upgrades, DJI has remained faithful to the core Mini DNA: lightweight, foldable, and highly portable. Intelligent controls and futuristic features. DJI Mini 5 Pro is expected to support the AccuSync for transmission system, giving it a maximum range of up to 20 kilometers, matching some of DJI's best-performing drones. like the Air 3S and the Mini 4 Pro. Compatibility with DJI RC controllers, Ircon 3 motion controllers, and DJI Goggles 3 or N3 is also expected, which will surely excite FPV enthusiasts and drone racers. Rumors hint that the RC track controller may have been shelved for now, but the drone might include new smart features, like voice control, similar to what we've seen in the DJI Neo, and in-app audio recording for vloggers and creators who want to add narration in real time. An interesting addition could be a dedicated flight mode button directly on the drone, allowing users to trigger cinematic pre-programmed shots even without a controller, perfect for quick, spontaneous flying sessions. Built-in storage and memory options unlike its predecessors. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is rumored to come with 30 GB of internal storage as a fail-safe. Forget your microSD card. No problem, you'll still be able to capture footage without missing a beat. This built-in memory provides peace of mind and is a highly requested feature, especially for travelers and on-the-go content creators. When is the DJI Mini 5 Pro releasing, and what's the price? Multiple reliable leaks and field test videos suggest the official release date is set for August 7, 2025. DJI is pushing this launch earlier than many insiders expected, signaling their confidence in this 5th-generation mini drone. As for pricing, base combo, around $850 USD, FLY more combo, approximately $1. 200 USD. THI's pricing slots it neatly between the Mini 4 Pro, making it an excellent mid-range option for drone enthusiasts looking for flagship features in a compact package. What kind of shots would you capture? With a 1-inch sensor, 360-degree gimbal rotation, LiDAR-based obstacle sensing, and potentially an hour-long flight time, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be a creative powerhouse. Whether you're into action sports, cinematic landscapes, or urban exploration, this drone could unlock entirely new possibilities. A quick bonus, GoPro's next big move. Speaking of industry leaders, something exciting is on the horizon from GoPro as well. For years, GoPro dominated the action camera market, but recently, they faced increasing pressure from competitors like DJI and Insta360. Let's briefly touch on the upcoming GoPro Hero 14 Black, which could be GoPro's biggest comeback yet. Sources suggest the GoPro Hero 14 Black will be released around September 20, 2025. Among the key rumored features, a 1-inch image sensor for vastly improved low-light shooting, 2-edge screen design with reinforced protection, redesigned physical controls for faster reparation, potential introduction of the GP3 processor for better thermal management, and reduced overheating, battery life enhancements with possible high-capacity options. Hero 14 Black seems poised to directly challenge DJI's Osmo Action 5, especially with a focus on image clarity, heat efficiency, and more rugged usability. If these rumors hold true, GoPro might just reclaim its spot at the top of the action camera game. Final thoughts: both DJI and GoPro appear ready to deliver category-defining devices in 2025. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is set to revolutionize the ultralight drone market with its impressive sensor, improved flight time, and advanced safety features. Meanwhile, the GoPro Hero 14 Black may finally give action camera fans the major hardware leap they've been waiting for. Which one are you more excited about? The next generation ultralight drone or GoPro's potential comeback? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to Technology in the Future for all the latest updates in drones, action cameras, and next-gen technology. See you in the next video.